In this video, I'll show you how you can increase the speed of a video in Capcut PC. So open up Capcut, then go to New Project, and obviously create your first project. Now, once you're in here, you want to go to Import and find the video. So my video is here. I've just downloaded it from Pexels. It's a video of some people playing football. So we're going to drag this video on the timeline. And now you've got a couple of options, right? Do you want to speed up the whole clip, or do you want to speed up a section of the clip? So once the clip is on your timeline, you can go ahead and decide, right? Now, let's say I want to speed up the middle section. So first I need to find the part where I want to start the speed up. So we'll choose this part here. We'll then go ahead and split the clip, and then we'll find the end and we'll split the clip. So this middle clip here, we can go ahead and speed up. So to do that, click on the clip, then go to the top right hand corner, you'll see speed. Click on that, and then you can go ahead and increase the speed. So to do that, you go ahead and drag this up, and it's gonna increase the speed by 2x, 5x, and so on. Now, the faster you increase it, the shorter the clip's gonna get, and the less smooth it will be. Let's go ahead and try it and see how it looks. So as you can see now, it's normal speed, then it goes to fast speed, and then slow again. So that's how you can do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.